So people wonder how we've gotten such success with all the cases within our office. So today I want to go over with you some of the foundational things of what we do, why we do it, and how we do it. My name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years to get back to an amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. Now for me, I had this happen for myself, and the work that we do here has changed my life. So this is exactly what we look to apply for our patients. And the principles that we apply wind up being founded in a system called Chiropractic Biophysics. This is a system of analysis and evaluation and treatment to wind up helping us move our spine and our nervous system to an ideal or normal position. So we all know that there's normal blood pressure, and we know that there's a normal temperature, and we know how to measure it. Well, just like that, there's a normal spinal position for us to have. And through life, we experience traumas. Chiropractic biophysics uses the properties of the tissues that help to hold us in place to non-surgically remodel the spine to that normal position if it can still be achieved. So when we work with a patient, our first goals are to wind up understanding what's going on and if we can help. Once we've understood that, we look to understand how much can we help and what are the long-term goals or outcomes for this individual in terms of their spinal health. How far or close to normal can they achieve? Then we look to set about that in a methodical way that's been outlined to cause the spine to move towards that normal position. Just like if we had a high blood pressure, we'd be guided to do exercise and eat right, as well as probably some other nutritional things to get our blood pressure back to the normal area. We specialize in outlining those steps to restore the spine back to its normal area so that you can get back to an active life and engage in that active life for as long as you'd like. If you've got questions about this process, go ahead and write down below. If you know someone who needs to understand how to get back to health and wants to understand how to do that, go ahead and share this with them. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.